Rank of a matrix. A matrix is said to be of rank R if it has at least one non-zero minor of order R, and number 2 point is every minor of order greater than R vanishes. Rank of a matrix is denoted by row A. We will take some examples here. For example, let A is 2 by 2 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Then rank A is equal to 2 because determinant of A 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Okay, here determinant of A is non-zero, means minor of this matrix is non-zero, 2 by 2 minor, so rank is 2. Second, if A equal to 1 to 2, 4, then determinant A is 0, means 2 cannot be the rank of this matrix. Then rank A is 1. If A is a matrix, this one. So to find out the rank of this matrix, we'll take, first of all, we will take the highest order minor from it. Highest order minor from it is the matrix itself, that is of order 3 by 3. So we will find out its determinant. Determinant of A is 0. It means rank of A cannot be 3. So rank of this matrix cannot be 3. That may be 2 or that may be 1. Okay, so to verify that rank is 2 or not, we will take the minors of order 2 by 2, and we will see that if at least one of the minor is 0, then the rank is 2, otherwise the rank is 1. So taking the first minor from here, 1, 4, 2, 5, so we see that this is 5 minus 6 minus 1, this is non-zero, and rank of A is 2. Let A is 3 by 4 matrix. To solve this type of matrix, to find the rank of this type of matrix, we will apply row operations. So we will try to make its row echelon form. Okay. So first of all, take this point as pivot, or we can say this element as fix, and we will make the elements below this element 0. So in first column, take this element as fix and make all other elements 0. So applying row operation on it, on this row first, R2 minus 2R1. So we get first row is fixed 1, 2, 3, 2, and this will be 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 5 minus 6, minus 1, 1 minus 4, minus 3. Okay, now we will make this element 0. So R3, applying the elementary operation, row operation on R3, R3 minus R1, R3 minus R1. With the help of R1, we are going to make the elements below the first column elements 0. Okay, so this will be 0. Now R3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, now take this element as pivot and eliminate this element, or you can say make all the elements below this element 0. Okay, make all the element below -1, 0. So again applying row operation in this on this row, R3 plus R2, 1 2 3 2, 0 -1 -1 -3, 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 3 0. Okay, so this is row echelon form, and I have told you that rank of the matrix is when determined by row echelon form is given by number of non-zero rows. Here number of non-zero rows is 2, so the rank of this matrix is 2. Okay, rank of this matrix is 2 because the number of non-zeros in this row echelon form